Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 5th standard ICAC. Today we are going to start a new unit, 5th unit, fraction. So let us go to the lesson now. We read about fractions in the 4th standard itself. We are going to learn about more fractions. In your book, page number 54, we have a fraction section. First one is types of fraction, second equivalent fraction, reducing to lowest term, comparing and ordering of the fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the fraction we are going to see in this unit. Let us go to the first thing, warm up section in your book, page number 54. See children, we have a warm up section. First one is how many are there in one whole. They given a chocolate blocks here. First one is they divided into two halves. So it is half means 2. Next second one is a quarter. Quarter means 4 parts. Thirds, that means 1/3, 3 parts. Tenths, nothing but 1/10. So we divided into these many parts. Second, B Roman letter. Match using different color. You can take a colors and you can match it with the different colors. 2 by 3. So how to read this number means 2 by 3. 3 things are there. In that 2 was pick it up. That is we will call it as a 2 by 3. Here the circle is given. In that the circle was divided into 3 portions and 2 was colored. Blue in color, no? So 2/3. You can match it with a number, picture as well as the number name. Second one is 1 by 4. 4 parts. In that one was colored. Then 1/4. Otherwise we will call it as a quarter. Next 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but a half. Next 3 by 4. So 4 part, in that 3 was colored. 3/4. Next one is C Roman letter. Annihilate 1 by 4 of 8 bananas. So totally 8 bananas are there. In that 1 by 4 means we have to divide 8 into 2 parts. That is 4 part, 4 part. From that 4 he ate 1 and another part 1 by 4, 4 he ate 1. So totally 2 parts. 2 bananas he ate. Next, Shivaram sold 2 by 3 of 30 eggs in her shop. So 2 by 3, how to divide means you can cancel the denominator with this number 3 and 30 10 times and you can multiply the numerator 2 into 10 20. So totally he sold 20 eggs. Next, D Roman letter, color to show the given fraction. The first one is they colored itself. 1 by 3 means 3 part, from that 1 was colored. Next is 7 by 9. So 9 is there means you have to color 7. Next to 2 by 5. So 5 part is there, from that you have to color only 2. Warm up section is over. Let us go to the exercise section. Already we read about the type of fractions in this before 4th standard itself. Let me recall once again and we'll go to the exercise section. First one is proper fraction. If the proper fraction has, the numerator is always lesser than the denominator. That means numerator is a smaller number, denominator is a bigger number. So for example 3 by 4. 3 is a smaller number than 4. So next one is a unit fraction. Unit fraction. Unit means 1. So the numerator always 1. We will call it as a unit fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Next one is improper fraction. The greater number in the numerator and the lesser number in the denominator, we will call it as a improper fraction. For example, 5 by 2, 8 by 3, that is. Next one is a like fraction. So like fraction is nothing but the denominator, all the numbers are equal. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 7 by 5, etc. Unlike fraction means the denominators are different in numbers. 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 5 by 4. So we have a proper fraction, unit fraction, improper fraction, like fraction and unlike fractions. These are all the types of fraction. We are going to deal with this unit. Next, in page number 56, we have a checkpoint. So equivalent fraction, already we know. Again they are having on a checkpoint here. First one is write the equivalent fraction of the following region. So they divided the square into 4 parts. 2 was colored, 2 by 4. If it is divided into 8 parts, then it should be 4 should be colored. That is the procedure. We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. We'll get the equivalent fraction. So one more is there, 2 by 8. So when we multiply with the 2 by 2, we'll get 4 by 16. Next one is, third one is 9 by 12. When we multiply 2 by 2, we'll get 18 by 24. B Roman letter. Look at the grid given here. We have to put a tick mark for which one is correct. First one is 1 by 2 is red and 1 by 2 is white. So look at the grid and it should be, yes, of course it is 1 by 2 is red in color, 1 by 2 is blue or white in color. Next, the second one is, you can put a tick, 3 by 8 red, 5 by 8 white. So totally 8 is there, means in that 3 was colored in red and 5 was colored in white. That is wrong answer because both color are unequal. Next, third one is 2 by 4 is red and 2 by 4 is white. Is it? Yes, it is correct because it was 4 when we are taking. It will be 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Next, 4 by 8 is red and 4 by 8 is white, which is also correct. Exercise 5.1 in page number 57, we have a complete the tabular column with the equivalent fraction. First A tabular column and B tabular column there. We have first sum is 1 by 2. When we are the question is given, multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, 3, 5, 6. That is the question. Okay, first sum is 1 by 2. When we multiply by 2 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 3 means 3 by 6, 5 by 5 means 5 by 10, 6 by 6 means 6 by 12. Second sum 1 by 3. When we multiply 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 9, 5 by 15 and 6 by 18. So simple thing is, we are going to find it out the numerator and the denominator. We are going to multiply with the same number what is given in your tabular column here. Next B Roman letter, fill in the blanks with the equivalent fraction. So see that one of the number was missing. We have to find it out that number and write the answer. First one is 1 by 4 equal to box by 8. So 4 was converted into 8. When we multiply 4 with the 2, we will get 8. So numerator and denominator should be multiplied with the same number for the equivalent fraction. So you can multiply 1 into 2, 2. So the answer is 2 by 8. Second sum 4 by 3 equal to box by 9. So the new denominator is 3 converted into 9. So 3 into 3. So numerator also you have to multiply with the 3. 4 3s are 12. So the answer is 12 by 9. Then the fourth sum is 3 by 4 equal to box by 16. Similarly, 4 was there in the denominator converted into 16. So 4 multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16. So numerator also multiply with the 4. 4 3s are 12. Coming to the C section, they given us equivalent fraction, numerator and the denominators are missing some numbers. So first number is they given 2 by 3. First box is box by 6. So check with the denominator, 3 multiplied by 2 only 6. So you can multiply 2 into 2, 4. Next second box, the denominator is missing. You can check with the numerator. Numerator is 6. So 2 multiply 3 only 6. So denominator also multiply 3 into 3, 9. Next 8 by box. 8 means 2 multiply 4 only 8. So 3 multiply 4, it is 12. Next box is box by 15. So 2 into 5 only 10. So 3 into 5 15. So you can complete the box. Numerator is missing means you find with the denominator. Denominator is missing means you find with the numerator. One more sum is there. These sums and all you can complete in the book itself. Coming to the D section, we have a write an equivalent fraction in lower term. So they given in higher term, we need to commit to the lower term, we need to do the division. So both the numerator and the denominator should be divided by the same number. 3 by 12. So both the number will come in the same table, means that is 3 table. So 3 by 3 when we are dividing, we will get to 1 by 4. Next sum is 8 by 40. So 8 and 40 will come in the 8 table again. So 8 by 8 when we are dividing, we will get 1 by 5. So similarly, few more sums are there. You can complete in the book itself. CW also. Coming to the E section, equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. They given one option here. 3 by 5 should be coming answer. Sorry. When we are multiplying 3 by 5, we should get the denominator of 20 first. So 20 means 5 multiply with the 4, 20. So numerator is 3 multiply by 4, 12. So 12 by 20. Numerator, then now numerator should be 9. So 3 into 3 only 9. Next denominator also multiply with the same 3 number. 5 into 3, 15. Next denominator should be 25. So 5 when you are multiplying with the 5 will get to 25. So 5 5s are 25. Numerator also multiply with the 5, that is 3 5s are 15. Coming to the next section, exercise 5.2 in page number 58, we have reduce into lowest term. As we did in the same exercise before exercise, we need to divide into same number 5 by 5. So 5 by 10 we can divide by 5 by 5, we will get answer 1 by 2. Second sum 3 by 9, when we divide both the number with the 3 table, 1 by 3 is the answer. Few more sums there, you can complete in the book itself. Coming to the B section, reduce to lowest term, dividing the both numerator and denominator with a common factor. So both the numbers should be divided by the same number. So 2 by 10 we can divide by 2 table, 2 by 2 means 1 by 5. Next second sum 3 by 9, we can divide by 3 by 3, we will get 1 by 3. Next third sum 5 by 10, we can divide by 5 by 5 means we will get 1 by 2 is the answer. Next C Roman letter, reduce to lowest term by dividing the numerator and denominator by HCF. So common factor and the HCF both are equal only, children. You have to find it out the HCF first and divide it, which will be easy for you to do the reduce into lowest term. So when we are dividing the numerator and the denominator with the HCF, 42 and 56 you can take it and find the HCF for that. 42 and 56 will come on the 2 table, 21 times and 28 times. 21 and 28 will come on the 7 table, 3 times and 4 times. 3 and 4 is not coming in the same number. So HCF is 2 4s are 2 7s are 14. So you can divide 14 by 14, we will get an easy number, that is 3 by 4 is the final answer. Let me explain one more sum, 25 by 45, take it in that, both will come in the 5 table, you can divide it, find the HCF, 25 5 times and 45 9 times, 9 and 5 will never come in the same table, you can stop the HCF is 5, you can divide by 25 and 45 with the 5 table, the answer is 5 by 9 is the final answer. So similarly you have a few more sums are there, you can complete in the CW, children. That's it, children. We completed this today's section. We'll see the remaining in the next section. Thank you, children.